Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today we are going to learn concept of colors. Red color, yellow color and blue color. This is red color. This is blue color. This is yellow color. Hamza and Fatma, look at me. Today we are learn the concept of colors. Red color, blue color and yellow color. Now cup on red color. Put the cup on blue color. Put the cup on yellow color. Again red color. Red circle. Red, orange, red, yellow circle. Put the cup on blue circle. Red circle. Red, yellow circle. Put the cup on yellow circle. Yellow. Red. ऐसे ना आपने रेड के ऊपर रखा है, देखिए. यस. ब्लू सर्कल. येलो. रेड. ब्लू. रेड. रेड सर्कल. ब्लू. नर्सरी क्लास. येलो. येलो. ब्लू. रेड. रेड. रेड color. Put the cup on yellow circle. Put the cup on blue circle. Select the red color. Put the cup on yellow circle. Blue color. Blue color. Which one is blue? Blue. Burhan, blue color. Yes, this one. Red circle. Red. Yellow. Put the cup on red circle. Blue circle. Yellow circle. Again red. Blue. Yellow. Red. Put the cup on red color. Put the cup on yellow color. Blue color. Again red color. Put the cup on yellow circle. Put the cup on red color. Red color. Yellow color. Quickly. Blue color. Red circle. Red circle. Again red circle. Blue circle. Put the cup on yellow circle. Yellow. Red circle. Blue circle. Red. Yellow. Blue. Again blue color. Assalamu alaikum, Manabia and Haram. How are you? Okay, let's start. Put the cup on red circle. Put the cup on yellow circle. Put the cup on blue circle. Put the cup on red circle. Yellow. Blue. Yes. Fiza and Sarim, how are you? Pick up the yellow color. Put it there. Pick up the red color. Pick up the yellow color. Pick up the red color. Asen, you have red color? No. No, this is black. Pick up the red color. Red color is apple color. Yes. Pick up the yellow color. Pick up the blue color. Blue. No, this is yellow. Blue color. Pick up the yellow color. Pick up the blue color. Pick up the red color. Good job. Pick up the yellow color. Pick up the blue color. Pick up the red color. Red color. No, this is orange color. Red, like apple. Apple color is red. Ozair is drawing good. Pick up the yellow circle, yellow color. Yellow. Yes. Pick up the red color. Very good. Pick up the blue color. Blue color. Pick up the yellow color. Very good. Pick up the blue color. Now you pick up the red color. Very good.